Hey guys, what's going on? It's Chris from Dream Media. Got a brand new episode for you today. Today's video is going to be all about unboxing the brand new Sony 715ES projector. This is their brand new 2020 model. This is their 4K projector. It's replacing the 695, per se. So we're going to see how this thing performs in a later video, but this is just a quick unboxing video. I'm going to let you know a couple specs about it, some pros and cons, and then we'll go from there. But I'll get into all that and I'll do it right after the intro. Foom. Smells expensive. Smells like Sony. Okay, so you get a few things in the box. You get a remote, some Sony batteries, and a power cord, and your owner's manual. Ooh, it's so light. Can you grab that box? And the projector. So let's get this thing unwrapped. So I'm really excited to see this one in action. I have a comparison of this one, which is the Sony 715, to the JVC RS2000. That's coming in a later video. Again, this is just a quick unboxing. Dang, man, this thing looks cool. It's got that premium finish on it. It kind of has a little texture to it as well. But you could definitely tell that this one is a little bit higher of an MSRP because they took into consideration the fit and function of this one. But I'm going to show you guys some close-ups of the front as well as the close-ups of the back. Okay, so let's check out the front here. So it comes nice and protected from the factory, and they also put that styrofoam in there as well to protect the lens assembly. So I'm going to remove that. And there's your lens assembly. So overall, it has a nice little bit of appeal to it. It kind of gives you this Iron Man type of ring around there. It looks like it's metallic, so actually I'm not really sure what this is. Kind of feels plastic now, but it definitely does look cool. You got some more vents up front. You can see the fans in there. Let's show you the back. So on the back, there's not that much, except for a little IR sensor. So you have a couple of controls on the side here. You have your on-off, your input, menu, as well as your lens, and then you have a toggle up, down, left, right here. So obviously this is a last-ditch solution. If you don't have your remote, you could still control the unit here. But yeah, don't lose your remote. And then on the right side, you're going to have your inputs. So we have our Ethernet connection right here, 2 of our HDMI inputs, 2 triggers, IR sensor, control, so you have your remote, external remote here, and then you have a USB. I'm guessing that's more or less for updates. That's about it. All right, guys, I think that's going to conclude the unboxing of the Sony 715ES. This is their brand new 4K projector. So this is a native 4K projector, right? So 350,000 to 1 dynamic contrast ratio, as well as it has that brand new X1 Ultimate processor in it. So it has that chip that's been, a thoroughbred and a staple in the Sony line of TVs, in the past. And now it's finally in a projector. Typically, you don't find that type of stuff in a projector, so I'm really excited to see how capable this thing is, just on its own right, and also compared to other models as well. But like I was talking about, I am going to be testing this one against the JVC RS2000. I have both of them here in the room, and then right after this video, I'm going to set up a comparison and then show both of them side by side, and then we'll see, if one's necessarily better than the other one. Does one outshine in one area, and one outshines in the other? Are they nice and balanced in between the two? Is one right for you? Was one not? So we're going to get into all that a little bit later on. But I wanted to make this quick unboxing video because I haven't necessarily had my hands on one of these just yet. But I think it's going to be really cool to show you guys, the journey along the way. Well, all right, guys, if you would like, make sure you reach out and show your support if you want to grab one of these specifically, or even the elusive 915 that just came out. MSRP on this one is $10,000. Well, actually, a shade under, just $1 under. And then we have the 915, which is also MSRP. I think that one is just $1 under, $20,000. So if you guys want to check either one of those out, don't hesitate to reach out. We'd be happy to help you get into the best projector that is capable for you. But besides that, got nothing else. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.